In the year 1983, Howard Gardner, an American developmental psychologist, introduced 9 distinct types of intelligence that an individual can manifest. Each of these categories represents a sphere in which one can excel, demonstrating unique intelligence. Furthermore, it is possible to possess aptitudes in multiple of these categories. The 9 forms of intelligence outlined by Howard Gardner are as follows. Number 1, naturalistic intelligence. Number 2, musical intelligence. Number 3, logical mathematical intelligence. Number 4, existential intelligence. Number 5, interpersonal intelligence. Number 6, bodily kinesthetic intelligence. Number 7, linguistic intelligence. Number 8, interpersonal intelligence. Number 9, spatial intelligence.
In this video, we will discuss the third type, which is logical mathematical intelligence, its characteristics and logical abilities, famous individuals with this type of intelligence, and its potential for understanding complex issues in exact sciences and fields of expertise. Let's delve into the essence of logical mathematical intelligence. Logical mathematical intelligence is something we begin to develop unconsciously from a very early age, often in preschool when we acquire the foundations of various pre-mathematical and pre-scientific skills. From an early age, we learn to compare, contrast, classify, order, and identify patterns, as exemplified in stories like Goldilocks and the 3 Bears, which teach us to discern differences in temperature, size, texture, and softness.
We observe this intelligence in action when children play with blocks, building towers, and arranging objects from smaller to larger or from shorter to taller. Montessori educational materials, for example, employ these concepts to establish the foundations of our logical mathematical understanding of the world around us. Logical mathematical intelligence also extends to pattern recognition in various areas, such as history and mathematics, as well as in many other contexts. Furthermore, this form of intelligence involves comprehending the relationships between things, as seen in the field of science, where we analyze cause and effect relationships, among other aspects. It is not limited to mathematics alone. It also encompasses critical thinking, observational skills, and the ability to interpret information in a general sense.
Famous people. Albert Einstein, 1879 to 1955 contribution. Einstein is best known for his theory of relativity, which revolutionized our understanding of space, time, and gravity. He also made significant contributions to the development of the atomic bomb and the photoelectric effect, which laid the foundation for quantum mechanics. Isaac Newton, 1642 to 1727 contribution. Newton's laws of motion and his law of universal gravitation are fundamental to classical physics. He also made significant contributions to mathematics, particularly in the development of calculus.
Alan Turing, 1912 to 1954 contribution. Turing was a British mathematician, logician, and computer scientist. He is often considered the father of computer science and artificial intelligence. His concept of the Turing machine established the theoretical foundations of modern computing. John von Neumann, 1903 to 1957 contribution. Von Neumann was a Hungarian-American mathematician and physicist. He made significant contributions to mathematics, quantum mechanics, and computer science. He played a key role in the development of the von Neumann architecture, which is the basis for most modern computers.
This form of intelligence manifests through questioning, seeking solutions, and reflecting on the process of problem solving. It involves a deep analysis of what one is trying to understand, whether it's a complex puzzle or a challenging formula. Critical questions can be formulated or personal hypotheses explored to find solutions or discover new answers. This intelligence focuses on interpreting symbols, drawings, and words, creating a remarkable bridge between mathematical logic and verbal expression. The approach often includes the creation of frameworks or steps to unravel a topic, allowing for the logical and sequential organization and assimilation of knowledge.
Individuals with this intelligence have the capacity to tackle complex problems, conceptualize relationships between symbols, processes, and people. They are abstract thinkers by nature and have an affinity for logic and reasoning. They excel in investigative activities and the scientific method. Their learning process is optimized when logic is involved. Typical characteristics include the ability to perform mental calculations with ease, an interest in strategy games, and the appearance of having an internal computer for processing information. They have an affinity for scientific experiments, a talent for categorization, and tend to think in abstract terms. They often seek rational explanations, constantly questioning the functioning of things around them.
Areas of expertise. The field of exact sciences encompasses a wide range of branches that can be pursued, including accounting, economics, engineering, mathematics, systems analysis, bioengineering, computer science, physics, meteorology, chemistry. Did you find this video informative? If you have any tips about your journey regarding logical mathematical intelligence, please share them with us and leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching the video, subscribe to the channel, and give it a thumbs up. Goodbye.